In this video, I'll quickly talk about what ChatGPT can do and few of the limitations of ChatGPT and how ChatGPT can't replace you and me.
ठीक है समझ गया.
ChatGPT is a trained deep learning model which uses reinforcement learning. They will take an example, explain reinforcement learning to a 6-year-old. So the AI labeler will provide the solution as we give treats and punishment to teach the kid. That is given manually by human. So this data is used to train this ChatGPT model. Also, there is a reinforcement reward mechanism. That means they will not only take one answer, they will take several answers from several AI labelers, and the AI labelers will rank these solutions based on the accuracy and other extra parameters, and then this decision is converted into an AI model, and that AI model is called reward model. A new prompt is sampled from the data set. That means write a story about others. So it goes to the ChatGPT model and there is a solution for that. Once upon a time there was something. So there is not only one solution, there is a couple of solutions, and then comes our reward model, which rewards these answers with ranking. Best answer based on the previous data from AI labelers and obviously from the data from the internet. This ChatGPT is trained. So first I will ask ChatGPT some things which is kind of illegal to ask.
Yeah boy.
How to hack the LAN network of our hostel. So I am sorry, but it is important to respect the rules, blah 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 blah. However, Google doesn't mind to show some of the tips and tricks to hack LAN networks from other websites. So basically Google doesn't give a shit, but this AI chatbot has regulations. So second, let's ask ChatGPT some programming questions. Create an OpenCV app in Python to capture and display frame. So let's see. To create an OpenCV app, you need to install OpenCV and IAM-utils. So it is writing the code using open source computer vision module in Python. It's done. So it is successfully able to write a basic template of what I asked. However, it is a simple question. So let's make it a little bit complicated. I am doing my thesis project. I am in the last few days of my project. It is really complex to guess for ChatGPT. So basically the thesis project is on Kubernetes. So I will ask questions on Kubernetes first. How to manage microcontrollers using Kubernetes. Microcontroller is a very small chip which will have very less memory in terms of 1 or 2 MB, but Kubernetes, even the smallest distribution K3s, comes 100 MB for sure. Kubernetes is a powerful tool for managing containerized application, but it is not typically used for managing controllers. However, you can use Kubernetes to manage the software by deploying it as a containerized application. According to my knowledge, to deploy an application on the microcontroller, Kubernetes distribution has to run on that microcontroller. So here is an example. It is telling it is creating replicas and it is saying memory 128. So let's make it specific. So how to manage Raspi Pico RP 2040 using Kubernetes. I know that RP 2040 is a microcontroller which has a dual cortex processor chip. The Raspberry Pi Pico RP 2040 is a microcontroller that can be used to build a wide range of projects. You can use Kubernetes to deploy and manage applications on them by creating a Kubernetes deployment. Here's an example, but I got this, bro.
समझ गया.
It is possible to use Kubernetes to manage the RP20 itself. For example, by using Kubernetes to deploy and manage the opposite operating system and other software that runs on RP2040. Install Kubernetes on Raspberry Pi Pico. I need to set up a cluster of nodes that includes at least one RP2040 operating system. Wow, bullshit. You can use a Raspberry Pi OS image or what the. So I will go to the internet and search for RP2040. I can clearly see that this is Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040 ARM Cortex, €5. It has 2 ARM Cortex M cores. The Pico board clocks at 133 MHz, has 264 KB RAM as main memory, and in addition we got 2 MB flash memory. So the highest memory in this Raspberry Pi Pico is 2 MB. So how to install K3s on a device with 2 MB? Let's see. K3s is a lightweight distribution. You can install K3s on a device with 2 MB flash memory. Download the binary from the release page. Copy the binary. Wow. Okay. So you can see here these are AMD, but here there are ARM. You can take a look at this star file. It is 510 MB. How the hell is this possible? This AI engine, it is not at all perfect and it cannot replace you. Don't try to teach ChatGPT because your responses might be recorded and the data might also be taken to train the PPO version model. For now, it is just an experiment to get more feedbacks from you so that the training goes much better in future. Think again using ChatGPT for your personal and professional work. I think nobody can replace humans other than humans. See you.